Okay guys, good morning to everyone. Dito na ako sa malapit sa dog playground. Itong oval na to, isang circle na to, naglalakad ako dito at least mga 4 times pabalik-balik to, for my walking exercise. So but this is a good shape to walk. It's round, but inside you couldn't go and walk there because it's a dog playground. So this is where the dog play and they train the dog to be obedient. You see how good is this country, because they provide playground for the dog, not for the people, just for the dog. It's lovely.